How's it going, everybody? We are back here again at Petrie Island, freezing our asses off, hoping to catch some wildlife. And today, giving you 5 winter wildlife photography tips in under 2 minutes. See if I can pull this off. I think the biggest tip, number 1, dress accordingly. Dress for the cold. Okay? Now you might have a 1 or 2 kilometer hike to your location and you're going to get warm. You're going to get hot and sweaty walking to that location, especially carrying all your camera equipment. But once you get to that location, you're going to be sitting, waiting, idle. And that's when the cold sets in. So make sure you dress in layers. So tip number 2, batteries. Make sure you bring extra batteries and make sure they're charged. The cold weather will drain your batteries really quickly. So yeah, always have extra batteries with you. Tip number 3, learn to expose for the snow. Okay, usually our cameras will try and neutralize the color. Okay, snow is white, snow is bright. Okay, so I usually overexpose, use exposure compensation, overexpose by about 1 stop, and that brightens everything up beautifully. I guess this would be tip 3.5. Use the snow to your advantage. It's white, it's bright. It could create some great contrast for whatever creatures you're photographing. Tip number 4, patience. Wildlife can be a little bit scarce because like the animals hibernate or like the birds go down south for winter or whatever. Like I've been out here like 4 days and I've seen 1 weasel so far. And a couple little chickadees, a black squirrel, nothing really big. So tip number 5, because you're going to be waiting out here in the cold for a long time, have some good games on your phone. Boom, I did it in under 2 minutes. Now I think the most important tip I can give you, okay, have fun, enjoy yourself, enjoy nature, enjoy the outdoors. It doesn't matter if you see anything, you're getting outside, getting fresh air, getting some exercise. If you like these videos and you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy shooting. Hopefully I'll be able to find something to shoot.